what if a slip of paper could decide the fate of your entire voyage? In the 16th century, the Portuguese wielded an unlikely weapon to dominate the Indian Ocean, the cartaz system. After Vasco da Gama's landmark journey to India, Portugal sought to control not just territories, but the very currents of commerce. The cartaz was a naval pass, essentially a license, that any merchant ship, regardless of nationality, had to obtain from Portuguese authorities to legally trade or even sail in the Indian Ocean. Without this permit, ships risked being seized, their cargo confiscated, and their crew imprisoned, or worse. This innovative system allowed Portugal to regulate trade routes stretching from East Africa to Southeast Asia, collecting hefty fees and enforcing monopolies on lucrative spices, textiles, and other goods. The cartaz system was a forerunner to modern maritime law and customs, demonstrating how paperwork and bureaucracy could become as powerful as cannons in shaping the world's oceans and global trade. By controlling the flow of goods through this administrative network, Portugal effectively turned the Indian Ocean into a regulated highway, ensuring their dominance for decades.